In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Join Before Host feature in Zoom. This is a very useful feature if you want your meeting participants to be able to enter the meeting room and start interacting with each other before you actually join the meeting yourself. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Zoom account on your preferred web browser. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Zoom homepage. To access the settings needed, let's begin by navigating to the top right corner of the screen and clicking on My Account. This should take you into your personal account management area. Now that you're here, focus your attention on the left sidebar. From this menu, find and click on Settings. This is where you'll be able to configure various options related to your Zoom account and meetings. After clicking on Settings, you'll be presented with a wide range of options. Next, you're going to select Meeting from the menu. Here, you'll see two sections, one for In-Meeting Basic and another for Schedule Meeting. You'll want to scroll down to the Schedule Meeting section. This area includes several important settings that can enhance your meeting experience. As you scroll, look for the option that reads Allow participants to join before host. You'll notice there's a toggle switch beside this option. Simply click on this toggle to enable the feature. When the switch turns blue, you know that the option is successfully activated, and participants will now be able to enter your meetings before you do. Alternatively, if scrolling through options seems cumbersome, there is a handy shortcut. Simply use the search bar located at the top of the settings section. Type in Join Before Host and hit enter. This will immediately highlight the relevant option, allowing you to toggle it on without having to manually search through the list. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully enabled the Join Before Host feature for your Zoom meetings. This can be especially beneficial if you have a large group of attendees eager to get started, or in scenarios where setup time is crucial and collaboration begins minutes before the formal meeting kickoff. Remember, this setting makes your meetings more flexible, giving participants the space to prepare or socialize as they wait for you to arrive. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide was clear and easy to follow. Be sure to leverage this and other Zoom features to get the most out of your virtual meetings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.